So this US 30 analysis for Monday 11th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices had this continuation of this bullish run, and we've had prices head up beyond the 25,243 all the way up towards that 25,300 before having a brief pullback towards that 25,101, held there support. We've had this move back above the 25,243, currently trading at 25,356. So from where we are at present, the levels that we are looking, the levels that we are looking at here to the upside. So there is a move up towards that 25,439. We could potentially find resistance. Successful break and hold of that level could see us head towards that 25,600, 25,660, or if there is some volatility, and move up towards that 25,700. I can't anticipate 25,879 coming into focus here on the US 30. More unlikely scenario, I would think, would be a move back down towards a 25,243 to hold the support. Failing that, we're looking for a move up down towards a 25,101. Successful break from which we're looking for a move up down towards a 25,000. And if we do see sufficient volatility to the downside, 24,864 may just be the very next level here to the downside. That I would expect to be the far end of the range here to the downside if we are to see a turnaround in the most recent trend, which has been to the upside here on the US 30. So we're reducing points for further upside momentum, but there is a possibility, of course, of prices turning around. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 24,864 to the downside if we were to see a particularly volatile day on the US 30. What we'll do now is have a look at the higher time frames to see how prices have been developing. We'll get scaling here correct. As you can see here from this monthly chart, after having this very strong bullish move, we've had a sharp pullback, and it has been just that, not a reverse, so a bit of a pullback, pulsed a bit of a doji, and so far we're seeing strong bullish buy side momentum follow through so far from the monthly time frame perspective. So we're realigning with we've realigned with the overall trend, which has been to the upside over the longer term on the US 30. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the weekly chart. So we'll have a look at the weekly chart. So from the weekly chart, it's going to be a similar scenario to the monthly chart. So we've had this sharp pullback in end of January, February. Consolidation broke down in prices, and we've had a pretty strong, not strong, we've had a consistent bullish move since March, really. We've had this consistent move here, and we are seeing that bullish momentum play through. We've had a pretty strong week last week, open to close, closing near the very highs, and we do seem poised to retest, go on to test the mid 25,000s, possibly head towards that 26,000 mark here on the US 30. And what we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to have a more in-depth look at the higher time frames. So what we can see here is from the daily chart perspective, we have our lows, we have our higher lows. Consolidation had a bit of a pullback, posted another higher low, and we've had, over the past couple of days, we've had a pretty consistent bullish move here to the upside. Pretty sizable bullish candles, apart from the odd few here and there, but pretty sizable notable candles of strong bullish buy side momentum. So we do seem poised to retest that mid 25,000, so in around that 25,439, 25,600 and 660, before possibly going on to retest if we do successfully navigate those levels in around the mid 25,000s. We're then looking to possibly target this high just here, which is in around that 25,825. So if we can successfully break above the 25,512 and hold above that level, we're then looking for price hit towards that 25,825 here. Is that correct? So it's proving somewhat problematic. There we are. So in around that 25,825, if we do see this strong bullish buy side momentum continuation to the upside here on the US 30. So with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.